Welcome to this marble nails tutorial. My name is AmandaRujeko and my nails were done by Nails by Midi. So we're starting off this tutorial with my tips stuck on and I went for the stiletto shape. First, she's going to put plain pink acrylic on my two fingernails that are not getting the marble, and that's my forefinger and my pinky finger. Next up, she's going to prep my ring finger with a little bit of acrylic liquid, and she's grabbing white nail polish, which she's going to use to make random patterns on my ring finger, and this is how you start to create your marble. I'm going to zoom you in for my middle finger so that you see more or less how she's creating these random patterns. Lastly, she's going to create the random patterns once again, but this time on my thumb. And this is what my fingernails are looking like thus far. Now she's using a brown to pink nail polish and she's going to create random patterns starting with my ring finger, and I'm going to zoom you in so that you can see how she's doing it on my middle finger. The nail polish colors that she went for were determined by the pink acrylic, so basically you can do marble nails of colors of your choice. Lastly, she's going to do the random patterns using the pink to brown nail polish on my thumb. The next step is to use the plain pink acrylic and create random patterns one more time, and this is going to be the last of the random patterns that she's going to create. Now she's going over all 5 nails with one more coat of plain pink acrylic, including the fingernails that got the marble done. Once again, I'm going to zoom you in on my middle finger so that you get a close-up look of the action. Next up, she's going to do some filing, and this is going to flatten the acrylic in any of the areas that it is bumpy and to also reinforce the shape of the nails. She's now filing the marble nails, and I've slowed the video down so that you guys can see that it's no different from when she files the plain nails. And once again, I'm going to zoom you in on my middle finger so that you can see the action up close. For the last step in this tutorial, she's going to do some buffing. She's going to buff all the nails exactly the same because remember, the marble is underneath the acrylic, so you're not going to buff it off. One more time, I'm going to zoom you in on my middle finger so that you can see the action up close. After the buffing, she put one coat of clear glaze and she let it cure using UV light. I'm going to show you the final look in a couple of moments, but before I sign out, please do check out Needy's Instagram page. I'm going to leave her handle in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. I will see you guys in my next upload, and until then, cheers!